It's a 2019 Ram 1500. It offers a legendary hauling and towing capability, sophisticated comfort with work-ready durability. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather split bench seats, aluminum wheels, heavy-duty shocks, configurable instrument gauges, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. When you need to grab life by the horns, you need a Ram. Experience it for yourself today.
You can see why Napleton's River Oaks Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram is different from the competition. Call, click, or stop in today. We're located at 17225 Torrence Avenue in Lansing.